Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Clogged fuel filters, failing fuel pressure regulators, and issues with the ignition system can all mimic the symptoms of a bad fuel pump. These symptoms often include difficulty starting the vehicle, engine sputtering, and a noticeable decrease in fuel efficiency. To accurately diagnose the problem, it's essential to check these components in addition to the fuel pump itself. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of fuel filters can prevent many of these issues.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.